my lovely angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shishmata and you're watching Mrs. Arch. So today in this video I'll be creating this very subtle muted pink kind of eye makeup look, and with that I'm wearing this very beautiful a nude lip color. So this is very glam and at the same time it's very muted. Like you can wear this look basically at any point of the day. Be it morning, be it night, so just change your outfit, and I think this look will go with any sort of outfit. So yeah, so without talking further, let's get started into the video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, that will mean a lot to me. And please also follow me on all my social media channels, whose links are below in the description box, and for Instagram the ID is over here. So yeah, let's get started.
So guys, to prep my skin, I'll be using this Smashbox primer water, and I'll just spray it on my face and then tap it. Next, for primer, I'm using an illuminating primer by Sugar. This will not only act as a primer but will make my base very glowy and dewy. So yeah, next for eyebrows, I'm taking this Etude House eyebrow pencil in the shade Black. As usual, I'm just filling my eyebrows, and then using this pulley, I'll just buff it off. Now I'll get started off with my eyes. For that, I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm putting it on the lids. Now taking this wet sponge, I'll blend it. Now for eyeshadow, I'll take this palette. This is All I Need by Tan Beauty, and from there I'll be using this shade called Bed of Roses. This is a very beautiful muted pink shade, and I'll just deposit it on the lower parts of my lids. I'll not take it up to the crease, just on the lids. And then once done, I'll take this palette by Anastasia. This is their Prism palette, and from there I'll use this particular shade, and next taking it on the blending brush, I'll diffuse it in the crease. Now to highlight my brow bone area, I'll use the previous palette, and from there I'll use this very beautiful golden shade called Casta Spell, and I'll use it on the brow bone area. Once done, I'll use this shade from the same palette called Highlight, and I'll put it on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'll draw a winged eyeliner, and for that I'll use this Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner, and I'll quickly draw a winged eyeliner on both my eyes. Now to make my look a bit glam, I'll put this Focallure Beam Eyeliner. This is a glitter eyeliner in the shade Unicorn, and I'll just draw a very thin line over my eyeliner. Now I'll just quickly tightline my upper eyelids, and for that I'm using this LA18 Kajal. And guys, for mascara, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to coat my lashes so that my lashes looks longer and bigger, and they look very beautiful. And yeah, that's it. So I've already completed my eye makeup. Now for face, I'll use this Miss Claire Orange Concealer. This is their full coverage concealer, and I'll just color correct my face so that my spots gets hidden and I can achieve a flawless base. Now I'll again use this same concealer which I've used for my lids, and I'll put it on the areas where I've used the color corrector, and then I'll just quickly blend it off. Now guys, for foundation, I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Golden Honey, and with that I'll be mixing this Nykaa's Strobe Glow Illuminator. This is a liquid illuminator and this is in the shade Golden, so this will give me a very beautiful dewy and glossy base. And the foundation I'm using today is a tad bit yellow than my skin tone, but once I highlight my face this will look better. And I have taken a wet sponge and to blend the foundation, and before that I'm putting it using my fingertips and then I'm blending it using the wet sponge. Now to highlight my face I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer. This is the Photo Focus concealer in the shade medium, and I'm putting it on the areas where I want to highlight, that is on the under eye area, on the nose bridge, on the forehead, like on the center part of my forehead, on the chin and on the upper lip area. And as usual I'll blend it using the same sponge. I love using sponge, like this gives a very seamless finish, so I always prefer using a sponge rather than brush. So yeah, that's it. Now to make my concealer stay at place, I'll be using this Fit Me Loose powder, and I'll just like apply it on the areas where I have applied the concealer so that it stays at place and do not budge off. So yeah, that's it. Now once done, I'll be using this contouring palette by Sugar. This is the Contour de Force palette, and from there I'll be using all the 3 shades for contouring, highlighting and for blush. Now before I apply the highlighter, I'll be using this primer water again, and once it dries up, I'll apply the highlighter. Now I'll smoke out my lower lash line, and with the same color, that is the Bed of Roses, I'm smoking out my lower lash line. And now I'll take this White Coal by Wet n Wild and I'll put it on my lower waterline. Now for lipstick, I'll be using this lip shade by House of Makeup, and this is their nude lip color, like a very beautiful brown shade in the name, called Brown Velvet. And I'll just quickly fill in my lips, and after that I'll be using this Blue Heaven lipstick. I totally forgot the shade name. I'll just use it on the center part of my lips so that the color like diffuses a bit. So lastly, to seal the deal, I'll again use the primer water by Smashbox. And for lashes, I'm wearing this beautiful lashes by Rufa. Yeah, but I totally forgot the variant name, so I'll mention it in the description box. And yes guys, this is the final look I have created. I have added on some jewelries and I've opened my hair, and yes, that's it.
So guys, I've completed the look finally. So it was really a very big trouble for me to put on false lashes. I suck at putting false lashes. It is always my sister who helps me out. And yes, I have done another thing off camera, that is, I was feeling that my lipstick is a bit dark, so I was not having any lighter shade of lipstick with me. So what I did is, I have taken a very small amount, like the tiniest amount of the concealer, and have placed it at the center of my lips. and then I have just smudged it using like doing something like this. So yeah guys, that's it. So yes, this is the final look and hope you enjoyed it. If so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment below if you like this video or not, and if you are going to recreate this look, then do tag me on my social media channel. Links are below in the description box. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in my next videos too. Then stay happy, stay blessed and stay gorgeous. Love you all. Bye bye.